10 easy things to stop so you can make more money. Are you sabotaging your own success even without knowing it? Imagine if there were 10 simple habits holding you back from making the kind of money that you want and deserve. What if I told you that by cutting these things out of your life, you could free up more time, energy, and focus to finally start earning the income you've been dreaming of? Stick around, because I'm going to show you the 10 easiest things that you need to stop doing right now to unlock your full money-making potential. Let's dive in. But first, this is Powerful Money Habits. I'm your host, Dr. Stephanie Aldrich, and I like to talk about habits and money that can help improve your life. If you're new to the channel and like the video, please hit the subscribe button down below and stay till the end to see how many of these things you can stop doing right now. If you want to change your own money habits, go grab a free copy of my 10th book, Powerful Money Habits: Unleash Financial Freedom. The link is down in the description below. Also, there's a free 60-minute masterclass training there where I teach the 3 money moves that you need to make in order to build financial freedom. Again, you can get all of it for free down at the Powerful Money Habits website. All right, let's dig into the show. The first thing that's so easy that anybody can do is stop scrolling. The average person scrolls for hours daily. Some estimates that I found online are up to 3 hours every night. Imagine if you reduce that by even half. You'd have an extra 1.5 hours to do something productive that could increase your income, like learning a new skill or even starting a side hustle. Time spent scrolling is time lost forever, and stopping this habit is an easy way to reclaim your day. I get it. You've worked hard all day long and you just want to relax, but there's good for about an hour, and then it's time to hustle and take care of your family and your future. So you can relax a little bit, but then it's time to get back on the train, right? Don't waste this precious time being indoctrinated by the biased media or through the entertainment industry. Go out into the real world and make life for yourself. Number 2, unproductive tasks. Checking emails or answering unknown calls disrupt your workflow. These tasks are often unimportant, but demand immediate attention, distracting you from high-value activities. Set boundaries. You gotta check email at scheduled times and filter out the junk. Every distraction delays your ability to focus on income-generating tasks. I didn't grow up with the cell phone or the internet for that matter, and it cracks me up that I look out into my office and I see someone who's like concentrating on doing something important, but yet when their phone goes off, like they immediately stop what they're doing to either answer it or, check out whatever the message is, okay? Messages and dings and calls. When I don't want to be bothered, I won't answer my phone unless I know who it is or if it's at a time that I'm not in my flow state. When I'm in my flow state, that's money making time. Number 3, living in chaos. A chaotic environment leads to a chaotic mind. Clutter can affect your ability to concentrate and make decisions, which slows down your productivity. By decluttering both your space and your calendar, you create a sense of control. Fewer distractions mean more mental clarity to focus on making money. This means you gotta say no. No to your family. No to your kids' activities. No to unproductive activities on your calendar. It's time to take control and start saying yes to yourself and your goals. The next one, dedicated time. Entering a flow state where you completely are absorbed in a money-making task can dramatically boost your productivity. However, this only happens when you have uninterrupted time. You got to dedicate blocks of time during the day to focus on a single task, whether it's working on your business or learning something new that you can achieve deep work and maximize your efficiency. This means putting the phone away or even in another room. You got to close the door and you got to get to work. Eliminating distractions during this time, you will see that time flies by and tons of breakthroughs and progress will ensue. The next one is the one more principle. The one more principle is a simple yet powerful money habit. This comes from Ed Milet. Instead of stopping when you're done with your tasks, do one extra thing. Make one more phone call, write one more email or follow up, or send out one more proposal. Over time, these one extra things that you do compounds, bringing in more opportunities and eventually more income. The next one is multitasking. Especially as women, that's what we do, right? We're taught to multitask. But multitasking isn't always effective. But you can make the most of the mundane activities. For example, while exercising or commuting, you can listen to audiobooks or podcasts that teach you a new skill, like sales techniques or maybe a new language that you can use at work. These little pockets of time add up and can help you build a skill set that can increase your earning potential. The next one is be unavailable. This goes along with number 4. Being constantly available to others through calls, texts, or social media fragments your attention and gets it away from things that you really need to be focusing on. To truly get into a flow state, you need to eliminate all distractions. You got to set a do not disturb mode or let people know that you're unavailable during certain hours of the day. This allows you to focus deeply on tasks that will move the needle financially, and it will move that needle. The next one is the 5 a.m. club. I know that is early. Even today, I did not want to wake up at 5, but I did. Waking up early gives you a head start on the day. The 5 a.m. club philosophy promotes waking up early to focus on self-improvement, exercise, and goal setting before the day even starts. This puts you ahead of the competition and allows you to accomplish a lot more, including knocking out income-generating tasks before others even wake up. This is how I've written 10 books, which I just finished my 11th one, and we'll talk about that later, before everyone is awake in my house, while it's quiet and I can actually think and concentrate without distraction. The next one is one income. Relying on a single source of income limits your financial growth. To increase wealth, invest in cash flowing assets like real estate, stocks that pay dividends, or a side business. These assets make money for you, even when you're not working on them, right? Alternatively, taking on a side gig or starting a business can boost your income with relatively little upfront investment costs. And the last one, doing everything at once. Trying to juggle everything at once leads to burnout and scattered results. That goes along with the multitasking that we just talked about. Instead, segment your time to dedicate parts of the day to money-making tasks, relationship building, personal growth, and relaxation. Yeah, go ahead and schedule relaxation time, but not 3 hours a night. Nobody needs to relax for 3 hours unless you're sleeping, right? This approach ensures that you're productive without overwhelming yourself, and it helps you prioritize money making activities during your peak energy hours. My suggestion is go online and watch Rob Dyrdek's videos about how he schedules his day. It's quite fascinating, and he's able to do everything he wants to do in his life by doing it on his terms. He actually schedules everything and not by what other people are trying to suck his time out. So very interesting, and you should go watch him. So that's it for the show today. Thanks for watching. Which of these things are you going to stop doing? Let me know down in the comments. And until next time, this is Powerful Money Habits.